Hey everybody. Um, Hi. I have this little ivy that I planted, I don't know, like a couple months ago, and it is on my windowsill in my kitchen, and it's just kind of like going all over the place. And because it's in a small pot, it's like a 3-inch pot. I got this from Walmart. Um, what is so hard in here? What is that? Oh, it's like a piece of bark or something. Um, because it's in such a small pot, I can't find a topiary form that'll fit in here nicely. So I'm gonna make one using this wire jute cord from Dollar Tree. Don't know what I'm doing, but when do I ever? That's like the whole theme of my channel is I don't know what I'm doing. So this is like it's not super firm. I had some wire that I was gonna use, but it is from Home Depot. It is so heavy duty that I was just like, I don't even know that I can bend this wire that I have. I bought it for something, I don't know what, who knows. So I'm going to move that back and bring in my other thing. I have two of them. I don't think that I need to, but, you know. And because it's not as heavy duty as I would like, I'm going to first of all make sure that these are both going the same way. So it's twisted counterclockwise. So I'm just going to take these and start twisting them together and pull in all the crap. Those are my signs. I don't know, you guys can see these. These are my the Patreon signs for April. I just finished those and I was like, let me do this. So straightening these out, and I'm just gonna twist these together. Which is probably not great on my hands. My hands have been killing me lately. But if you wanted to, you could take an electric drill and like put this in the chuck, fasten it down, and then use that. I was gonna do that, and then I was just like, no, ain't nobody got time for all of that. Okay, so I have two pieces, about the same size. We'll see. I'm just gonna cut that off. And this is not gonna be like super sturdy, but it doesn't have to be. Oh my god, I hate anything burlap jute. I get like so itchy. All right, so let's see. I'm just gonna kind of pull this to straighten it out. And is it gonna be too big? Oh, I think that might work. I'm just gonna cut it down a little bit. Then use that to measure the second piece. Throw that out of there. Okay. So pull this one straight too. I think I ended up like I was twisting one way and then I got tangled up and I started twisting the other way, but it's gonna be rustic. Alright, so I'm gonna put this all the way down. that. It's kind of hard to get in here. Luckily, I am prepared. That's much better. And come in on the other side over here. Try to shape this a little bit. I could probably go in a little bit more. That look the thing? Yeah. And then I'm going to just and now I'm going to try to divide this between these 4 sections. This one needs to come over here because it's coming from over here. I'm going to take this one up this way. And these will kind of, you know, once it gets back in the light, it'll pull itself the right way. I don't know that I need all of these twisted up, but maybe. You know, I'll have to train that some more, but where do you want to go? This one's probably going to have to go over here, but it's not really long enough yet. You come this way, I guess. And then I'll just come back down and around, and these do always look kind of messy in the beginning, but once they once all the leaves start turn, you know, I have this in my window. It doesn't get a tremendous amount of light, but I mean, it's obviously she's living her best life as a little mossy thing. Little ivy thing, not a mossy thing. Yeah, that looks much neater. I mean, I'm not sure it's perfectly round, but I'm also not sure it needs to be. So yeah, now it won't be, because it was kind of like hanging all over the place. So, there we go. Can you come around here maybe? Yeah, I think that's more than secure. And I guess if I wanted to, I could kind of do it more round or do it more tall. This is super thick over here. I wish every side looked like that. Alright, so that's a quick topiary for $250, which is like $20 less than the one I found at Hobby Lobby that was too big anyway. But yeah. Cute. Alright guys, that's it. Just wanted to film this real quick. Not terribly exciting, but I wanted to get it done. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.